the mariachi program started when I actually went to the Arizona Music Teacher Association conference, and I attended a session that was about starting a mariachi program at your school. And that is basically what inspired everything that came after that. I just felt like it was such a fantastic opportunity that we were not taking. We started last fall and it's been going ever since.
I chose to join the mariachi club band because I thought it was going to be a great idea since I play cello in orchestra. And I know how to control my fingers by playing on the guitar now. And it's way easier because I'm used to a cello too.
The passion for mariachi is something that we establish in the program because this chapter in their music education is really more about instilling that joy and excitement that comes with performing mariachi that does develop into a passion and something that they want to continue over time.
I enjoy about mariachi music is that we can sing while playing and stand up. This is my tradition.
I have really enjoyed growing with my students and getting to see how experiencing this kind of music changes my students.
I think clubs are great for students because students can try out other things.
Students should join the mariachi because they are getting an experience like they will not get in any other class, in any other club. When we think about long-term goals, I would love to have mariachi classes incorporated into the curriculum, incorporated into our school hours so that students are able to not only get the playing piece, but also get more of the context, the history, the theory behind the music. My hope is that they continue through mariachi here at middle school and then continue on in high school and maybe even afterwards.